Crude oil, daily forecast, December 7th, FXEmpire.com. The light sweet crude market had a precipitous fall for the session on Thursday. However, we are starting to run into a little bit of support, so we could get a little bit of a bounce. Quite frankly, any time that we have a bounce and we see any types of failure on the shorter term charts, we will not hesitate to start selling. After all, the Middle East situation, at least with Syria, is calming down, so we could get a little bit of a falling apart for oil prices, so to speak, because the demand just isn't there. 84, we still see a significant support, so once we get below that area, we really think that the downside could accelerate at that point, and we would become very aggressively short of this market. If light sweet crude had a rough day, Brent had an absolutely horrible day. You can see that Brent plummeted through the 110 level during the session on Thursday and actually closed at roughly 106.85 or so. With that being said, it does look like we are going to continue lower. This is an area that has a little bit of minor support, but in the end, we think the fact that the market's closed so close to the lows is definitely a bearish sign. Also, with the Middle East risk premium kind of coming out of the markets, Brent should be hit even harder than the light sweet crude, because simply because most of the Middle Eastern oil is of the Brent or the heavier variety, such as Brent. So, having said all that, we do think that there could be support here, but below the 106 level, this market really starts to fall apart and we become aggressively short. Any bounce will be treated with suspicion, and we will start looking for weakness to start selling again.